Our island hop weekend got underway with a short, leisurely 30-minute flight, 100 kilometers west of the main island of Okinawa. We were there before we knew it. The novelty of flying in a propeller-driven plane was an experience for the boys. We went straight from the airport to Fisherina Marina and on to our charter for the day. On our way to Kumejima, we spotted many sea turtles. We had a delicious lunch on a deserted Kumejima. Practicing our social distancing. Not a soul here. First stop for the afternoon, geologically interesting tatami stones that look like the shell of a turtle, created 6 million years ago when lava cooled, hardened and shrank. Next stop was a 250-year-old goeta pine. It's the boys and mama in the big pine tree, which spreads out for more than 320 square meters. Well, it comes all the way out here, look. Cypress, Kumejima.
Cause I need to fix a heart I can't replace. Show me all your steps, retrace. Cause I need to find someone to keep me safe. And now I need your help to make it right. I'm caught up in the dark without a light. You know I need your heart.
How was it, Kai?
To make it right.
Endless Energy Boys were back in the pool straight after dinner.
If I can't break free, will you stay with me?
After brekkie we checked out Mi Fuga, which means girl in the local dialect, so sometimes it's called Onna Iwa, Girls Rock. We We made a quick stop at Kushikawa Castle Ruins. Hayajobanta Cliff is a place where you can look out onto the limitless, endless expanse of ocean. Uegusku Castle Ruins, one of Kumejima's most picturesque sites. It's believed to have ruined around the 1500s. It sits at an elevation of almost 310 metres. Backshore Ranch gave us a much needed cool break for lunch.
What have you got?
Mango orange smoothie, and it's like a slushy. And I had the mangoes, actual mangoes on top. They were really nice.
Oh, choco parfait.
Last on our list of places to check out was Arahama, a remote beach we spent a couple of hours exploring. That brings our island hopping weekend trip to an end. Great fun had by everyone as always.